Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car in Bloxburg. It's a straightforward process that allows you to free up space and earn some in-game cash. We'll cover everything from entering build mode to confirming your sale and understanding the money you receive. This guide will help you efficiently manage your vehicle collection and get the most out of your Bloxburg experience. To begin selling your car, first, you need to enter build mode. You can find this option in your game's user interface, usually represented by a hammer or house icon. Clicking this will transform your view, allowing you to interact with all the objects on your plot, including your vehicles. This is the essential first step before you can select and sell any car. Now that you are in build mode, simply click on the car you want to sell. This action will bring up a small menu specific to that vehicle. Look for the trash can icon, which signifies the sell option. Click on it, and the game will ask you to confirm your choice. Make sure you are certain, as this action is final and cannot be undone. After confirming the sale, the game will instantly add the money to your Bloxburg funds. You will receive 70% of the car's original purchase price. For example, if you bought a car for $10,000, you would get back $7,000. This is a great way to recover some investment and make space for new vehicles in your garage, helping you upgrade your collection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.